Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential world of parenting by helping you discover the best baby car seat. Ensuring your little one's safety and comfort is paramount, and we're here to guide you through the top choices in the market. Let's make your parenting journey smoother and safer together. Number 1. Graco has truly outdone themselves with their remarkable car seat designed exclusively for babies. This baby gear gem boasts unparalleled safety features that put your mind at ease while on the road. The sleek and stylish design doesn't just complement your car's interior, it enhances it. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design, ensuring your precious cargo is secured in seconds. The plush cushioning keeps your baby snug and comfortable, making those car rides a joy for both of you. Graco has raised the bar, offering parents the ultimate peace of mind and style in one fabulous package with this baby car seat. Number 2. Safety First Car Seat, a game changer for parents and a comfort haven for your precious little one. This car seat doesn't just prioritize safety, it defines it. From its sleek design to the plush cushioning, every detail screams luxury for your baby. Buckle up in style, knowing that Safety First has your back, thanks to its cutting-edge safety features. Installing it? A breeze. Comfort? Unmatched. Your baby deserves the best, and Safety First delivers. Say goodbye to worry and hello to adventure with this top-tier car seat. Your child's safety and comfort are now in the best hands possible. Number 3. Britax Car Seat, where safety meets style. As a parent, finding the perfect car seat is non-negotiable, and Britax delivers beyond expectations. Crafted with utmost precision, this seat isn't just secure, it's a cocoon of comfort for your little one. The plush cushioning and adjustable features ensure your baby rides in luxury while you drive with peace of mind. Installation is a breeze, making every journey stress-free. Plus, its sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to your car interior. Britax has redefined safety, making it more than just a car seat, it's a parent's best friend on the road. Your baby deserves the best, and Britax delivers excellence effortlessly. Buckle up for unparalleled safety and style. Number 4. Chico's baby car seat is a game changer for every parent. With its sleek design and advanced safety features, it's not just a seat, it's a peace of mind. Strapping in your little one is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive harness system. The plush cushioning ensures ultimate comfort during long rides, while the reinforced side impact protection keeps your precious cargo secure. Chico's attention to detail is unparalleled, making it the epitome of style and safety. Every journey becomes an adventure, knowing your baby is cocooned in this marvel of engineering. Chico, where innovation meets tranquility, the perfect ride for your little one. Number 5. Evenflow's baby car seat is an absolute game changer for parents. Glowing star with its top-notch safety features and cozy design, it's a must-have for your little one. From the easy-to-adjust straps to the plush padding, this seat ensures your baby travels in style and comfort. Installation? A breeze. Plus, the sleek, modern design will make you the envy of the playground. Trust me, this car seat is a total winner. Don't miss out on giving your precious bundle the protection and luxury they deserve. Grab an Evenflow car seat today and cruise with confidence. In conclusion, choosing the best baby car seat is paramount for your child's safety and comfort. We've explored a range of top options, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to make an informed decision. Remember, safety comes first, so invest in a seat that meets your needs and standards. Thanks for watching, and here's to secure and joyful journeys with your little one.